Hello, this is Greg Granger again with another internet marketing review, this time of Subhash Yadav's new product called 10x Commission. I'd like to thank you for watching this video, and if you do like content like this, I ask that you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you want to watch continuing content like this. First off, I do have exclusive access to the members area of Subhash's new product, 10x Commission, and I'm going to go through it momentarily. In this review, I'm also going to tell you what is his new product all about, and also the bonuses that you will get if you choose to purchase from my link. I will also review the sales page and all the product OTOs. So, getting on with the review here, this is the members area of 10x Commission. I'm going to go over briefly here with you. In the first module, it shows you the blueprint of getting success, choosing the right affiliate network, and finding the best high converting offers. In the second module, he will show you how to get approved for the offers, show you how to create a bonus page, and create a review video much like this one. In the third module, he will show you how to rank your reviews on YouTube, build original free traffic to your channel, and also the secret method of generating 1 to 500 free targeted leads per day guaranteed. In the fourth module, he gets into the concept of chatbots and how to use them. And then here are some of the upgrades, the OTO upgrades, but I'll get into that a little later on in our review here. So what is 10x Commission all about? It's a brand new step-by-step training method to make daily real affiliate commissions using the top 3 free traffic sources, with YouTube free traffic, Facebook, and chatbots as a traffic source. You can replicate his success by making daily techniques, adding or using these techniques to generate affiliate commissions and daily 1 to 200 free leads using his secret method. Now, what I'm going to do here is get into my bonuses that you will get when you pick up through my link. Here are, because I've identified a few shortcomings in his offer here. So what I'm doing is I'm offering to fill in these shortcomings with a few bonuses of my own. So the first bonus here is Easy Affiliate Marketing, an ebook. Second, we've got 51 social media marketing methods to build your business. Bonus number 3, profitable list building secrets. And this is the inside tips on building your subscriber base. Bonus number 4 is the niche finder blueprint, finding the perfect niche for any business. And bonus number 5, 100 fast list building methods and techniques. So now we're going to go over the sales page. And this is the sales page for 100x commission. So here it is, brand new case study, exposes how he's generating at least $196.07 every single day, and how he got 300 plus hot leads free using 3 top free traffic sources that you can copy. So what I'm going to do here is just quickly go through, and he says, how does it work? This is a brand new commission getting weapon to drive 3 free traffic sources to affiliate offers in just 3 simple steps. Step 1, quick start. Step 2, implement. And 3, earn. Now, he does use a little bit of the hypey stuff here, but, to be honest, I don't usually use it myself because it's been so overused in the industry. But he chooses to go with it. It's his choice. So the secret 10x commission, which also allows them to live the real laptop lifestyle. And this is an example of some of his earnings in one day using the 10x commission method. And this it says here, do you have a simple money-making system that you're using to make a consistent $100 to $200 per day? Well, you're in the right place. And this is Subhash himself right here, showing how he started out. And I know he started out in, what was it, about 1997 or 1998. As an affiliate, and he made absolutely nothing. And he told me this personally a couple of days ago, how he struggled trying to get commissions. And where he lives, like their wages there are very low, so it took him a lot to get out there and pound the pavement and get money to put food on his table. So this is an example of some of the commissions that him and his students have been getting with the 10x commission method. And here we are again. Now, he has also offered some bonuses himself personally, but this is only for the early adopters. Bonus 1, he's given his own personal course here that he actually offered on Warrior Plus a few weeks ago called the Affiliate Marketing Blueprint 2.0. He also has bonus number 2, Messenger Chatbots Marketing Blueprint. Bonus number 3, Tribe Building Mastery. Bonus number 4, Lead Generating Mastery. The Personal Branding Blueprint, which is another one of his products that he sold back in 2020, and the Internet Traffic Blueprint. Now, he does have here his one-time offers, which I'm going to show you here real quickly. Go into his front end is between $13 and $47, which is the main front end 10x commission. Upgrade or OTO number 1 is the 10x commission advanced training. It's a Facebook paid ads advanced training program for affiliate marketing, where you'll learn how to run Facebook paid ads for promoting launch offers and generate instant affiliate commissions. You'll also learn how to set up chatbots and ad campaigns to build your chatbot buyer subscribers list and email list at the same time. Upgrade or OTO number 2 is the 10x Commission Done For You Edition package. And in this upgrade, you'll get 3 Done For You Facebook campaigns, including bonus pages, ad copy, lead generation ad copy, and all done for you text along with the image ads, which you'll be able to import into your Facebook ads account and run campaigns and start to generate affiliate commissions right away. Upgrade number 3, or OTO number 3, is the resale license, where you'll be able to earn 100% commissions on everything in the 10x commission package. And finally, upgrade number 4 is the unlimited traffic zone. If you want to generate unlimited traffic for your internet marketing business, then he's offering to put a pixel code on his upcoming launch product sales page, and you will start receiving unlimited traffic to your pixel. Now, there's my review. So like I said, if you choose to purchase from my link, I thank you. And again, thanks for watching this review. If you like content like this, please smash the like button and subscribe if you want to watch regular content like this every week. I will be posting reviews like this to my channel. Thank you, and bye for now.